Childcare stuff. Baby bottle. Baby bottle. There were 2 empty baby bottles on the table. Nipple. Nipple. A baby bottle nipple should never be used as a pacifier. Bib. Bib. She wears a bib with the word milk printed on it. High chair. High chair. He spends all his days sitting in a high chair. Safety pins. Safety pins. I have never used safety pins for my kids. Disposable diaper. Disposable diaper. I think something was hurting her. Maybe something in her diaper. Baby lotion. Baby lotion. She rubbed the baby lotion gently on her skin. Potty seat. Potty seat. There was a wet towel on the potty seat. Formula. Formula. The baby didn't like the previous formula. Wipes. Wipes. She had wipes everywhere with her after having a baby. Baby bag. Baby bag. She forgot to take the baby bag, so she went home very soon. Carriage. Carriage. She walked past a nurse wheeling a young girl in a baby carriage. Car safety seat. Car safety seat. The baby was in a car seat as usual. Rocking chair. Rocking chair. My grandmother used to read books to me while hugging me in a rocking chair. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. She never played with her teddy bear. Pacifier. Pacifier. Parents were told to encourage the use of pacifier if the baby was hungry before that time. Rattle. Rattle. The pink rattle was his favorite toy. Thank you all for your likes and comments. If you like our content, please subscribe to our channel.